This video discusses the new text components in the Grasshopper-ARCHICAD connection of ARCHICAD, in which you can create and modify text elements. The Grasshopper-ARCHICAD connection of ARCHICAD now offers 6 new components that are all related to creating and modifying ARCHICAD text blocks from Grasshopper. The 2D text component in the document group is used to create ARCHICAD text blocks. Besides the usual synchronize input, it has 4 additional inputs. The text input of the component takes data coming from a Grasshopper text component, an ARCHICAD text component, or a Grasshopper panel component. The insertion point input takes data from an ARCHICAD point component or a Grasshopper point component, but it uses only the points X and Y coordinates, since the ARCHICAD text is a 2D-only element type. It defines the anchor point location of the generated text element. The 2D viewpoint input needs data from the ARCHICAD 2D viewpoint component from the input group. This 2D viewpoint can be a floor plan, as well as a section, elevation, interior elevation, worksheet, or detailed viewpoint. The text settings input can take data from several components. You can use the favorite component and select a text favorite to provide data for the input. It is also possible to get the text settings of a placed ARCHICAD text element and connect that to the input. To achieve that, first use the new ARCHICAD text component located in the parameters group and set it to an ARCHICAD text element. Then connect its output wire to the text input of the new deconstruct text component located in the deconstruct group. Thus, the text settings output of the latter component will contain the text settings of the text element set in ARCHICAD. The 4 outputs of the deconstruct text component correspond to the 4 inputs of the 2D text component. The extract text settings component, located in the extract settings group, can be used to take text settings such as text settings output of the deconstruct text component and obtain most of the individual settings in the text definition such as font name, font style, alignment, and so on. The opposite of the extract text settings component is the new text settings component located in the settings group. Using this component, you can compose the text settings from the individual settings in the text definition. The output of the extract text settings component correspond to the inputs of the text settings component. One of the inputs of the text settings component is the font name input. The input group of ARCHICAD components contains a new font name component. This component accesses all font types available in ARCHICAD, and you can connect its output to the font name input of the text settings component. The text settings component output can also be connected to the text settings input of the 2D text component. Please watch all other clips in this playlist to fully familiarize yourself with the Grasshopper connection enhancements available in ARCHICAD.